Namaste. In today's class, some of the students were asking that by using the first procedure, like command window method, it was a bit difficult to install Jupyter Notebook, right? So let me try to show you the whole process. Okay. So first, if you want to install the Jupyter Notebook in Windows-based system, you go to python.org. Okay, let me just go back a little bit. Python.org. In that, go to downloads. Okay, so in that you will see the latest version, or according to your system's configuration, like whether it is Windows 10 or 11 or maybe slightly older version. Based on that, you may have to download. So here I'm although already I have Python slightly old version 3.12 kind of version I have, but now to show you I'm just showing this particular thing 3.13. Even this I just tested whether it is working properly or not. So just a few hours back I downloaded and tested this. So if I click on this, what will happen is the particular file will download. Okay, so a few hours back it got downloaded, that you can see over here. Yes, you can see here, right? Okay. So Python 3.13, 3.1, 3.5 kind of thing. So you just try to run that file. Okay. So, okay, because already it got installed, because just a few hours back to inform you how the procedure works, I installed it. So it is now telling to whether modify, repair or uninstall. But when you are doing the first time, it will simply ask install. Okay. Na? But in that install menu, you have to uh, tick one. There is some checkbox in that it will say add the path. Okay. So be careful. So please tick it. Okay. That is important. Okay. So tick that particular checkbox and then simply go on clicking next kind of thing. So then it will get installed. Okay. So this is the basic Python installation. Okay. Once that happens, now what you do? Now I will just cancel this. Okay. You want to cancel? Yes, I'll cancel this. So once that happens, what you do is, so go to the command window. For that, you press the button like Windows plus R, Windows button and R key together. Okay. Then you will get something like this. Okay. You will get like this CMD. You type in that. Okay. Then click OK. Then you are going to get like this command window. In this, you just want to check what is your Python version. So let me do like this Python and then space dash dash hyphen hyphen kind of thing. Okay, hyphen hyphen version. Okay, and let me press enter. Then you are seeing the latest Python version, whatever that you install. Okay, so this is what it is showing. Now you want to install the Jupyter thing, right? So maybe you would have tried like, I'll just show you. Maybe you would have tried like pip install Jupyter. Okay, probably you tried this. Okay, so if you do like this, what's happening? Let us check. It will take some time. Let me press enter. You don't do now. You just wait for some time. Just to see what I'm showing over here, and then you will be able to do it afterwards later. Okay. So I said pip install Jupyter kind of thing. So something came up, and now suppose assuming that it got installed. Okay. If it really got installed, then we should be able to open it. So to open it, what you have to do? You have to do like just type notebook. Okay, if it really got installed, you should type this notebook, but it is now telling that notebook is not recognized kind of thing. Okay, so then what is that you have to do is the question. Okay, so I will tell you what to do. Okay, that means you don't do this particular process which I did for the last two steps. Okay, that is this step. Okay, directly don't do this particular step which I did. Where is that? Directly don't do this pip install Jupyter. Don't do that. And also there is no point of you typing simply in notebook after that particular process is over. Okay. So I will tell you alternate method. you please type this particular command at the command prompt, that is Python space -m space site space double hyphen user hyphen site. Okay, then you click enter. Okay, so that will show you the path in which this Python related files got installed. Okay, so that path is important. Now go to that particular path. That means I am changing the directory by pressing CD. Okay, and I will copy that path. Okay, so this path I am copying. Okay, and then I will paste it here. Okay, so I am going to that particular folder, right? The system cannot find the path specified. In just 1 minute, I will do something. Just 1 minute. What I'll do? Okay, okay, just 1 minute. Then I'll try this part. Yeah. Okay. So this much. Okay, got it. Okay. Now here I will do that installation of Jupyter. Okay. So what I'll do now? Pip install Jupyter. Let me try here. Okay. So now again something is happening there. Okay. So now let me try to launch Jupyter if it got installed. Still that issue is coming. Okay, so let me try this Jupyter notebook. Okay, not just notebook, but Jupyter notebook. I think now it is working. So it okay, right? It is not given the error, means it is about to start. Okay, right? Yeah, something is happening. You see, right? Fine. Yeah, got it. Okay, so that is how this thing came up. Now a local host is starting. And yeah, okay, like this it will show some folders. Now here, as I told you, you can upload the particular file which the professor has sent you downloaded, right? Maybe it is in the downloads folder, that is zero hyphen getting started with kind of file. Okay, so let me go there, upload. It will be zero kind of this thing. Okay, so take that file and then say open. So that particular file came into this particular environment. Now you can open this, double click it. So it is about to open. Okay. Right. Okay. Now you know the whole process, right? Okay. So this is the first procedure in which you can install the Jupyter notebook. Okay. Right. Next time onwards, suppose, and then after running the after going through all these things, like run each cell separately, but do it in order, proper order. Sometimes if you try to suddenly run the second cell without running the first cell, there may be some continuity and it may not run. Sometimes it may run independently also, but better to go in a proper order, like from top to bottom. Okay, run each cell and try to understand by reading the theory given over there. Okay, so that is one thing. And then, as I told you, you can save the whatever work you have done, like save notebook as. Generally, it will save with already it is there IPYNB. Okay. If you don't want to disturb the file which professor has sent, you may save it with a slightly different name. For example, whatever professor has sent, keep the same name underscore. Maybe you can put your roll number extra beside that, so that that particular thing is the modified version. If you have made any modifications to the professor's version, like that, and then you can save it. Okay, like that you can do. Okay, fine. So now let me just leave it as it is. So next time again when you want to launch, now once the work is over, you will anyhow close this. Okay, right? I'm closing now. Next time again when I want to come back to this place, what should I do is the question, right? So that is again another important aspect. So we will see what to do there. So again, maybe next day you are coming and trying to open the but old file, or you may want to work with a new file. Again, you have to enter into that Jupyter environment. So what you will do now? So what you do? Windows plus R command window will come. Okay, is there? Then this kind of thing has come. Here you copy paste this particular path somewhere. Okay, so that next time you can use it. Okay. Okay, this particular path, if you copy paste in some say notepad, next time onwards you can take it from that notepad and use it over here. Okay, like this, you go to that particular folder. Okay, okay. Now it is not recognizing. So why it is not recognizing? Again, that is another question. Right, we have to type CD, no? Okay, right? So we should be careful in everything. Okay, so that means change directory CD space that particular path. That particular path, you please keep in some notepad. Okay, so that you can use next time. Right, got it? Now you have to launch the Jupyter notebook. So I will type that space notebook. Okay, so it is about to open. Right, okay, like this. Okay, got it? Right, then you are. Now we will, I hope you are very comfortable with the second method of doing Anaconda installation. So I will not show that because already I showed the process. It will take quite a lot of time, maybe like 15 minutes also it may take for the kind of systems that we are using. Okay. So I am not going to show that process already. Those steps are very straightforward, right? As I already informed you. Now we have to see in Ubuntu. Okay.